In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the BTS Dynamite filter on Instagram. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open Instagram and go to the discovery page. Then you want to search for Bertu Garcia, this account. And if you live in India, you can swipe to the left twice and then you can see the filters. But I don't live in India and I can't find the filter. So if you do live in India, you can swipe to the left twice, you can see filters, and then there will be the BTS Dynamite. So in some countries the filter will be available soon, so you can put your country down in the comments below and I can respond to that and say when it will be done, because it's actually available on the internet. You can see when it's done, but this is basically all I can show you now, guys. So if this video helps you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.